Take care of you. I will.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Kiss.Makeup, and in today's video I want to give you guys a few affordable fragrance options. So I do have another video where I talk more about like the more high-end fragrances that I really love, and I will link that video in the cards if you guys are interested. So I'm the type of girl that loves to smell good, but I'm also the type of girl that loves to save money. So I'm always looking for new perfumes that smell great but aren't gonna like break the bank. So keeping that mindset is kind of what motivated me to make this video today. So I have a couple of like body sprays that I like to use. They're all long-lasting body sprays, and I'm also going to give you guys a couple of tips on how you can make your body spray last. So the first fragrance that I want to mention is the Body Fantasies Sweet Sunrise Fantasy. So the interesting thing about this body spray is that it is from Walmart. I actually found this one on Pinterest because someone recommended it to me, and they said that this is a dupe for the Juicy Couture perfume, and honestly it really is. The very first time I wore this, I wore it to like a Christmas party, and this girl came up to me and she said, "Oh, you have on Juicy Couture." It honestly really does smell exactly like Juicy Couture, but I think this one is only like $5 or $6 at Walmart, where Juicy Couture is somewhere around like 60 or 70 bucks. So if you like the smell of Juicy Couture, I would definitely say go to Walmart and smell this. It honestly smells just like Juicy Couture. So the next fragrance that I want to mention to you guys is by Mineral Co, but I got this from Bath and Body Works a couple months ago. This one is in the scent Rose Quartz. So it says that it's inspired by love and passion, and it has fragrance notes of rose water, lily petals, and fresh patchouli. So I have the fine fragrance mist, and I also have the body cream, and that is one of the major keys that I want to tell you guys about when you're using a body spray as opposed to a perfume. It's really good to pair it with a lotion when possible, and that kind of makes the fragrance stay on longer, and it helps it like intensify the fragrance throughout the day. So I really like to apply fragrances to feel more feminine and more like sensual. So the next one that I want to tell you guys is by Victoria's Secret, and it's in the scent Tease. I also have the perfume to this, but I like to apply the body spray when I'm getting ready to go to bed at night, and then I just kind of like refresh it the next day with the perfume. So the next fragrance that I have to share with you guys is by Pink, and it is in the scent Warm and Cozy, and based on how much is left in the bottle, you guys can see that I really like this fragrance. I also have the lotion to go with this one as well, but this one is more of like a cutesy fragrance, if you will. Like, I like to apply this one before I go to bed as well, but it's more of pretty much exactly what the name suggests. It's warm and cozy, so it's one of those more like comfortable scents. So this one has notes of toasted vanilla and peony, and it's more of, like I said, that warm, comfortable feeling. This is what I think of when I think of like sweater weather. So I really like this one. So guys, those are all the fragrances that I have to mention to you guys today. They're all super affordable. Some of these fragrances I would really suggest getting like when they have a sale. For instance, I know that Victoria's Secret has a semi-annual sale along with Bath and Body Works later on this month. I wanted to give you guys a little bit of notice so that you could kind of be on the lookout for these fragrances when the semi-annual sale comes. The other scent that I got from Walmart, you can pretty much find that year round. So before I close out this video, I did want to give you guys a couple of tips when applying a body spray. So I did mention one of the tips earlier, and that is to pair it with a body lotion of the same scent. But I've also seen people that will apply just like a dab of Vaseline right where they're going to apply the body spray, and just like rub it in and then apply the body spray, and that also helps keep your fragrance strong throughout the day. It's also important to know where you're going to be applying your body spray. I generally don't like to apply body spray on my clothes. That's why I say that I usually apply it when I get out of the shower, and I apply it directly onto my skin. When I apply it to my skin, I like to apply it onto my wrist. I like to apply it into the crease of my arm. I like to apply it on the back of my neck, and I like to apply it behind my knees. These are considered hot spots, so when you begin to heat up throughout the day, then you can really smell the fragrance. When you apply it onto your skin, you also get a different scent because it's also able to interact with your body's natural chemistry, and that really like tailors the fragrance to you. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you feel inspired to go check out some of these affordable fragrance options. If you're interested in seeing an updated perfume collection, definitely let me know by commenting down below. If you use any of these products yourself, also let me know that down below. And if you have any suggestions that you would like for me to try out, list that down below too, because I'm always looking for new fragrances to try. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.